Mr Ong 你係會食 rain show 嘅？點解？
點解食啊？
慢多少啊？
食得好咯，健康咯，跟住我哋老人咧就唔要襯身嗰啲我哋體內嗰啲機能退化咗，所以話我哋喺呢個 rain show 嚟補充我哋嘅需要嘅維他命礦物質啦，乜都㗎。
咁你有咩見證啊？
見證啊？
你自己？
我自己就有尿酸咯，尿酸俾我食到好咯，梗係takes around 6 months only recover
就 recover
啊！
之前點啊？之前
食乜都腫啊，腳腫手痛咩喂人
OK，
你接嚟講。
好，頭先講到一半就中親人啦，而家就繼續啊，
繼續
係就食到點
啊？食到好啦，成日我哋去食飯噶嘛，日日食飯當食飯咁樣食啦，日日都食2包落去啦。
以前你係腳痛㗎啦。
係。以前腳痛嘅時間，你係點樣痛法嘅咧？
腫嗰個風吹嚟都痛啊！嗰個痛啊！
而家點啊？聽講飲啤酒喎。
而家就 OK 咗咯，但係唔好過量啦，你食下啱好就冇事咯。
而家冇痛咗啦，冇痛風啦。龍精虎猛啊！
龍精虎猛，而家就好精神咗。而家。
OK， 唔該。
行呢個 Grand Palace 都冇問題啦。
你好。
OK，
你來到這邊有什麼感想，Mr Ong？
我會講你
這邊是什麼地方啊？介紹一下。
我不知道，他是剛才聽那個導遊講世界，他是列入世界遺產中心。
哇
！World Heritage。
什麼地方啊？
這邊是世界遺產中心，World Heritage
可以的，謝謝。
Hello， 大家好，今日咧係呢個 Rain 嘅International 啦，我哋今日係第2日啦，嚟到呢邊。咁正話嗰站咧由我嘅 partner 呢個Asia Ribose-D 咧同你講解。咁呢個第2站咧，我哋就嚟到呢度係一個好古老嘅一個地方啦。呢邊係有一個世界歷史古蹟啦。OK， 喺呢邊嗱咧睇下環境嘅。睇下冇嗰啲古蹟全部係好耐以前㗎啦，所以有去泰國嘅朋友，你哋想睇下古蹟，想睇下啲好特別嘅嗰啲建築物，可以過嚟呢邊啦。呢度係冰角 ，OK。咁忘記同你介紹，如果有去旅行呢，帶埋呢個 rain show 啦，順便拎嚟食啦，係好簡單嘅，唔使去 shake， 亦都唔使沖水，咩都唔使，淨係咩飲就得啦。所以去旅行有時我哋比方講呢，都會好攰㗎嘛，係咪？所以呢個呢好方便，因為點解呢？成包係種子做嘅。所以佢係 super nutrition 係好方便嘅。而家呢個 rain show，OK， 如果要買嘅話，
點樣買啊？
上呢個網站 rain show to you，OK， 又或者係 raincity.com。
係啦。
全馬來西亞都有幫你做 service 嘅，甚至乎全世界，OK，記得 call 我哋。所以我哋陣間會再同你介紹第二個站有咩好搞。咁如果你喺生命中你又想覺得要賺多啲錢呢，試下呢個生意啦，因為點解？冇壓力，好似我掹嚟到呢邊，乜嘢都係免費嘅，係咪？咁好嘅生意，邊度揾？係咪先？有時唔使話太過忙啦嚇，咁去 hit，等我會同你介紹多啲嘢。OK，thank you，拜拜。
拜拜。干了。
OK，betul. Nombor berapa? 3. Kameraman.
你
大家好，我是 Asia Rainbow Chai。那么今天呢，现在我们来到这个地方，就是要吃这个椰。如果来到这个地方啊，没有吃到这个椰，就好像没有来过这个地方一样。所以呢，这个地方呢，就是这一个椰里面有这个水，那么再加上椰糖，还有黄梨，还有 ice cream， 还有 peanut 啊。
哇，
有个很好吃。
哎呀，这边不是我一个人吃哎，你看我附近那边那么多俊男美女啊，哇！再加这个水，还有椰糖，哇，它是凉做的。
来，介绍。
来有，看我旁边那位美女，哦，哦。
杯子里面有杯和它。
还有椰的肉，哦，有没有看到？
哇，
因为我不耐，哎，这个地方叫什么啊？我也不知道这个地方叫什么名，总而言之，要知道这个。OK，
轮到我了，很好吃。要 try 吗？
Health, wellness, lasting youth. What is that really? Is it a state of mind? Is it looking in the mirror and seeing the best version of yourself? Or is it freedom? Freedom from limits of pain and fatigue? Is it feeling great, no matter what your age? We all know feeling great is determined largely by how you fuel your body and mind. But getting the best natural and effective nutrient fuel isn't always easy. The world continues to accelerate at a dizzying pace. Convenience takes precedence at the expense of real nutrition. Intelligent sources of food are the exception, while physical and mental deterioration is an accepted way of life. Our goal is helping you realize an optimal lifestyle and defy what's common. We searched for what might be overlooked in nature, and after decades of research, our pursuit led us to the source of all nutrition. It's been revered for over 3,000 years. The ancients went to extreme measures to cultivate its potential. The pharaohs not only knew of its power, but insisted they take it with them in the afterlife. It was used in ancient Greece and Rome, as well as Persia, India, and China. The works of Hippocrates, Dioscurides, and Avicenna all show appreciation for it. The Spanish even organized expeditions to find it. It was lost for centuries, and now modern science is obsessed with it. Mother Nature has held this secret to youth, life, and vitality in one tiny capsule, the seed. Within this tiny gem, all vital elements of life are present in a more concentrated form. Essential amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals
Seeds actually contain all of the essential components of nutrition that we would like to find in our herbs and all of our leafy products, but unfortunately a lot of times the vitamins, the minerals, the amino acids, or the fatty acids are lost in the process of whatever that seed is in its growth to become a flower, a plant, a leaf, and whatever. But it's very, very small in its size as far as seeds and grains, but it's a concentration of many things that we would need otherwise in our essential components of nutrition.
While all seeds serve the same purpose in nature, not all are created equal. We've sourced only the most healthful, nutrient-dense seeds on the planet as the basis for our product. So, the black cumin seed, black raspberry seed, and Chardonnay grape seed house powerful benefits on their own. But when combined, the benefits of these seeds synergize, creating a source of wellness unlike any other product available today.
Well, compound diversity is very important in a health product. And what we find in Sol is a comprehensive balance of compounds that contribute to a range of functional health benefits. And one of the things that's very impressive and interesting is that the compounds in Sol provide antioxidant protection against all 5 of the primary radicals that are active in human biochemistry.
It's given me exactly what I need, along with all the other things that I'm eating with my diet, to be able to perform well. And that was really important to me actually when I tried it. I didn't want to try something that was fake and had a bunch of just crap in it that you don't need. I want something real.
I'm very picky about what I give my children, but in the morning as I'm laying out their vitamins, they have their Sol packet. My 9-year-old can take it. There's nothing artificial in it. There's no preservatives in it. I feel like it's a natural product that benefits my children. You know, there's so many germs they're exposed to at school. Whatever I can do to help them strengthen their immune system, give them that little extra edge, I think is wonderful, and it's a great taste. There's not a lot of things are medicine-y and your kids won't drink it, but my kids actually like it. They ask for it, which that's nice for a mom.
One of the reasons why Sol is meaningful to me is because it allows me to have a better quality of life.
My joint pain is gone, my memory's improving. I mean, this works, this does something.
No other medication changes, only the Sol. So it's worked for my knee, it's worked for my lungs, it's worked for my blood pressure, and I'm just so thankful at 61 that someone told me about this so that the rest of my days can be a little more comfortable. And I am so happy to have this opportunity to tell others about it because it can change their lives. How good is that?